Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. That is question number 6a. That is here question number 6a. That is you are getting that is 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5 1 by 5. That will be equal to that is 3 into here have to do that is this 5 whole should be multiplied with the denominator, that is 5 into 5 is 25 and should be added with the numerator, that is 25 into 5 25 plus 1 26, that is 26 by 5, right. Now you have to multiply this 26 with the numerator, this one 3, there is nothing miss, that is 3 by 1, right. Now 3 into 26, multiply this 26 by 3, that is 3 is 18, 1, 8, 3 to 6 plus 1, that is 78. It comes to 78. 78 and divided by 5 into 1, that is 5. Now I have to divide 78 by 5. Divide 78 by 5. That is 5 1 5, 5 1 5, 6 7, that is 2, 2 here 8, 28. Then 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, that is 28 minus 25, that is 3. We are getting 15 whole 3 by 5. The quotient is 15. Quotient is 15. Remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. The 15 whole 3 by 5. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is 5 into 6 whole 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Right? That is we are getting 5, that is 5 into, you have to multiply this whole with the denominator, 4 is 24 and add with 3, 4 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, that is 27 7 by 4. Now multiply 27 with 5. Multiply 27 with 5. That is 5 7 ja 35. 3 carry. Here it is 5. 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. That is 135. 135 by 4. Now to divide 135 by 4. We will divide 135 divided by 4. That is 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 13 minus 12, that is 1. It is 15. Right? Now 4 3s are again 4 3s are 12. Right? Subtract 15 minus 12 is 3. It is 3. Therefore, we are getting here, you see, we are getting the quotient as 33. Quotient is 33. Quotient is 33 and remainder is 5. Remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. and divisor is 4. That is 33 whole 3 by 4 is the answer of question number B. Now we will solve question number C and D. Let us solve question number C. Now here you see question number C is question number C is question number C is 7 into 2 whole 1 by 4. That means is equal to 7 into, here the whole is multiplied with the denominator, that is 4 into 2, 4 to the 8, and add with the numerator, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, that is 9 by 4. Therefore, we will multiply 7 with 9, 7 9 is 63, 63 divided by 4. I will divide 63 by 4. We will divide 63 by 4. That is 4 1 is 4, 5 6, that is 2. Here it is 3, 23. 5 4 is 4, 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. Therefore, the remainder is 3. Therefore, here the quotient is 15. Remainder is 3 and divisor is 4. This is the answer of question number C. Now question number D. Question number D is 4 into 6 whole 1 by 3. That will be equal to 4 into 3 into 6. 3 into 3, 6 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. That is 19 by 3. That is equal to, this is 3. Multiply 19 with 4. 19 with 4. That is 4 9 is 36. 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 76. 76 by 3. If we divide 76 by 3, we are getting, divide this 76 by 3. That is 3 2 is 6. 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 16. And 3 5 is 15. 3 5 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Therefore, here the quotient is 25. Remainder is 1. And divisor is 3. 25 whole 1 by 3 is the answer of question number D. Now, question number E is, what is question number E? You see here, question number E is, question number E, that is 3 1 by 4 1 by 4 into 6 is equal to, multiply this. This is 3 whole is multiplied with the denominator, that is 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. This is 13 by 4 into 6. That will equal to, it is 4, multiply 13 with 6, 13 with 6. That is 3 6 is 18, 1 carry, here 8, 6 1 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. That is 78 by 4. 78 by 4. 78 by 4. Now divide 78 by 4 by 4. That will be equal to 4 1 is 4. 5 6 7 means 3. It is 8. 38. 4 9 is 36. 36. If we subtract it, we are getting 2. Right? Here, therefore, we are writing here the quotient as 19. and remainder as 2 and divisor as 4, right? That is 19, 2 by 4. And we can also change into, that is 2 by 4 can be again change into lowest term, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. That is comes to 19 whole 1 by 2 by 2, right? Now question number F. Question number F is 3 whole 2 by 5 into 8, that is equal to multiply whole with the denominator 3 5 is 15 and add the numerator 3 5 is 15 plus 2 17, that is 17 by 5 17 by 5 into 8 and that will be equal to multiply 17 with the number 8, that is 7 is 56, 5 carry, it is 6, it is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, that is 136, 136 by 5. If we divide 136 by 5, 136 by 5, we will get 5 2 is 10, 10 minus 3, it is 6, 5 7 is 35, 5 7 is 35, 36 minus 35 is 1. Therefore, we are getting the quotient is 27, remainder is 1 and divisor is 5. This is the answer, 1 by 5, right? 27 whole 1 by 5. Here question E, you see here 3 whole 1 by 4 into 6, that is 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 6, 13 multiply 13 with 6, 3 6 is 18, carry 1, here 8, 6 is 6 plus 1 7, that is 78 by 4. Here I divide 78 by 4, that is 4 1 is 4, 5 6 7 3, 8 38 and 4 9 is 36, that is whole 2 remainder, that is 19 2 by 4, or you can change into lowest term also, that is it is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 19 whole 1 by 2. This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 2.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.